Good morning. Several months ago, we reported that Chinese-built aircraft used by Pakistan destroyed French-made fighter jets used by the Indian Air Force. The Chinese jets are far less expensive and obviously at least as capable. And we forecast that other militaries would be taking a hard look at upgrading their armed forces with advanced weapons platforms built by China. That didn't take long. The JF17 is a Pakistani plane that's produced by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, who has a production center in Pakistan, and is the same company that builds some of China's most advanced jets. 6 countries are in negotiations with Pakistan to buy the JF17. Bangladesh signed a deal with China to buy 20 J10C aircraft for delivery in the next 2 years. That deal is for the planes, training, maintenance and repair, and infrastructure projects over 10 years. This is the problem facing militaries across the world and the opportunity for China. Delivery times and prices for Western-built jets are long and high. Bangladesh considered jets from Typhoon, but they cost too much and they can't get them for years. It is only China who can deliver systems on time and on budget. The cost for each plane is $60 million and will be delivered over 24 months, and that is a bargain compared to other fighter jets. The Typhoon is twice as expensive at $117 million per. The Rafale is $125 million, and it was Rafale jets that were shot down by J10Cs operated by the Pakistanis last year. That point means problems literally all around for India. If the deal with Bangladesh goes through, India will be surrounded by Chinese planes on both sides. The negotiations between Pakistan and other Muslim nations in the region have important strategic implications and big opportunities for Chinese weapons makers. The problem for the Saudi military, as an example, is that Saudi Arabia has contracts with Western arms makers, and it's no simple thing to integrate new weapons platforms and systems. What is under consideration, though, is the conversion of $2 billion worth of loans from Pakistan to Saudi of $2 billion. Again, this aircraft is attractive because of the lower cost. The JF17 is priced around $30 million per, and on the capability to build and deliver them. Iraq, Sudan, and Libya have signed deals. Azerbaijan was a buyer before the war between Pakistan and India. Indonesia is interested in more than 40 JF-17s, and that deal will likely include Chapar drones, which are not built in partnership with China. Last December, Pakistan signed a multi-year deal with Libya, and 2 weeks ago had wrapped up an arms deal with Sudan. All of this is contingent on approvals from China, who builds most of the important components and systems for this aircraft. But it seems that China is on board with Pakistan marketing the plane at air shows, and the engagements with India put these China-built planes front and center in the market because of affordability, which was always there, and now because of the superior performance. So China was supplying Pakistan already, plus now these 6 countries, plus Iraq. In early 2024, Chengdu Aircraft Corporation was a key supplier for air forces in 2 countries, China and Pakistan, which is next door. Today it's a lot more, and in a lot more places. And at these low prices and delivery times, countries are buying a lot more of them and getting them a lot faster. This is Shenzhen. Be good.
Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are the gentle, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be satisfied. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall receive mercy. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. You are the salt of the earth.